Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back at it again. It is February and this is my first video of the year. So happy New Year's to you guys. New Year. I hate when people say New Year's. Anyhow, just coming to give you an update as to what's going on. Last year, as some of you know, I rented out my house and my tenants moved out last month, and I have decided to move back in my house. I don't think I want to be a landlord anymore. I mean, they weren't bad tenants or whatever. It's just, you know, when you go back in your house, you expect your house to be the same way you left it. And that was not the case. So I just decided to just move back into my house and just, you know, go home on the weekends like I was doing before. I'll still be taking care of my grandparents, but I'll just go home on the weekends, you know, like to have a little peace and quiet to myself. So I think that'll probably be the best thing to do. So with that being said, I will definitely be on a mission this year to crank out videos. I've already started updating some things, which I will definitely show you some progress that I made in this video over the weekend. Me and my dad and my brother got some painting done, and had some people do some trim work in there. I haven't got my floors done because I just cannot decide what I want to do with my flooring. I don't know if I want laminate, if I want tile. It's so hard picking out stuff, but I just, you know, I want to make sure I pick out some good quality stuff that's going to last, because I don't want to be doing these projects every year, changing up stuff every year. I cannot. It's only one me, one income. So I'm gonna take my slow time this time around and pick out some nice stuff that, you know, I know that will last and will give my townhome, you know, a quality look. So with that being said, I hope you all follow me on this journey of moving back home and updating my space and decorating my space. Thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. Well, the videos that I have up now, but I definitely will be putting out a lot of videos this year because I am going to take you on my journey. I need a camera though, because my phone does not hold a whole lot of, you know, stuff. I don't know if I don't have enough data or what. I just need a camera to vlog all of this stuff. So if anybody knows of any good cameras to use to vlog, please leave it down below. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye.